Hi there. If you're on a mission to improve your English speaking skills, you probably already know one thing. You need to practice speaking. But how do you do that if you don't have a partner to practice with? Don't worry, because today, I'm going to share a powerful technique that can help you practice speaking English all by yourself. Let's dive in. You see, studying grammar or just listening to English isn't enough to improve your speaking. You need to actually speak. But what if you don't have someone to converse with in English? How can you still practice effectively? Well, there's a fantastic technique called imitation practice that allows you to learn and improve your English speaking skills independently. No speaking partner required. This method can enhance your sentence structure, grammar, vocabulary, and, most importantly, your ability to express your thoughts and ideas clearly and confidently. So, what exactly is imitation practice? It's more advanced than just repeating after native speakers to improve your pronunciation. It involves listening to a conversation, story, or speech and then rephrasing it in your own words. Let's break it down. For instance, listen to this. When I was a child, my parents loved to pretend that Santa Claus would bring us presents at Christmas. Now, you can rephrase it as, when he was a child, his parents loved to pretend that Santa Claus would bring them presents at Christmas. Did you notice how we changed I to he and us to them? This simple exercise helps you think in English and restructure sentences naturally. But that's just one way to practice. There are other methods too. You can start by imitating short phrases or sentences. Then, as you get more comfortable, you can move on to longer portions of speech or even entire stories. This progression is what I call easy-to-hard imitation. Start with small portions of speech like phrases and short sentences. Move on to imitating larger portions, such as long sentences or groups of sentences. Finally, try to rephrase and deliver entire speeches or conversations. This method is based on progressive training, where you gradually increase the difficulty to challenge yourself and improve. Studies have shown that this kind of training can be incredibly effective for language learning. Imitation practice offers many benefits. You'll learn to form sentences correctly, pick up on idioms and expressions used in daily conversations, and naturally absorb grammar through a process called implicit learning. Implicit learning is when you acquire grammar rules without consciously focusing on them, much like how children learn their first language. Instead of worrying about grammar rules, you focus on understanding and expressing ideas. This way, you're learning grammar without even realizing it. So, there you have it. A practical technique to improve your English speaking skills without needing a partner. Thanks for watching, and happy practicing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips on improving your English.